Hello, this short video is designed to show you how to enable color coding in the Grade Centre and set color coding options. You may set the Grade Centre to automatically apply color codes to cells based on criteria that you set. To give you an idea of how this functionality works, this is similar to conditional formatting in Excel, and it can be used to quickly identify good or poor scores in a large cohort. To begin, open the Grade Centre, open the Manage menu, and select Grading Color Codes. You can create rules to apply color to the cells in the Grade Centre, either by status or grade. First of all, you need to enable grading color codes by ticking the box. If you wish, you may set a color to quickly show attempts that are in progress, need marking, or are exempt. However, there are already icons to flag the status of attempts that are in progress, need marking, or are exempt, so color coding the cells by status is probably less useful. You may find it more useful to define the colors used within cells according to specific grade ranges and criteria that you set. Click on Add Criteria to define a grade range and set a new rule. For example, you could use red to highlight graded items with failing scores so that the students and the columns that require attention are prominent. Once you have defined the criteria, click on Submit to finish. Once you enable color coding, you can then choose to turn it on and off by selecting the HideShow color coding function that appears in the Grade Centre. When you hide color coding, the color disappears from the cells, but the color rules and criteria are retained. You can reapply the defined colors by selecting Show Color Coding. To edit or delete existing criteria, add new ones, or disable color coding, open the Manage menu and select Grading Color Codes. So, to sum up, access the Grade Centre, open the Manage menu and select Grading Color Codes, enable Grading Color Codes, define rules and add criteria as appropriate. Color coding can be switched on and off.